Meaning of fastidiousness.
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 Fastidiousness. Fastidiousness refers to a meticulous attention to detail and a high level of cleanliness. It is the quality of being very precise and demanding in one's standards. Fastidious people are often very particular about their living conditions, personal appearance, and work environment. They tend to be very organized and methodical in their approach to tasks. As a result, fastidiousness can lead to a high level of productivity and efficiency. In contrast, a lack of fastidiousness may result in sloppiness, disorganization, and low-quality work.